Alright, so got my heat gun trying to dry these off. It's a rainy day out here today, so trying to make sure that they dry. Um, this is tubes after the second coat. Um, they're still a little shimmery, but they're not as glossy as they once were. So I'm very pleased with the outcome. I noticed that I forgot to do one of the tubes. It was laying on the floor now, so I had to get this guy going a second one. But I'm very pleased. I think this is going to look a lot better than having the clear tubes in there with the clear liquid. Why didn't I just use ZNT? Well, I really wanted to do hard tubing. I think personally, if you have a really nice build and you have like soft tubing, it just really kind of, degrades the overall outcome or product that you're looking for. So since it's been investing so much time and money on this project, I just wanted to make sure that everything was really up to par in terms of quality. And so I'm very pleased with the way these tubes came out. This is going to be a pretty nice one.